Hello friends, welcome to Dewdear Academy. In this video, I have included the exam insights from the subject Sociology. So periodically we are uploading different exam insights as a preparation for various competitive examinations. And for the exam-oriented coaching, you can contact the number given below. So we have started the Kerala PSC Nursing Officer and Nursing Tutor coaching. So now let me start the first question. Who is considered as father of sociology? Who is considered as father of sociology? Options: Kingsley Davis, Emil Durkheim, Max Weber, Auguste Comte. The correct answer here is Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte is considered as the father of sociology, and he coined the term sociology in the year 1839. That is important. Who coined the term sociology? That is also Auguste Comte, and it is in the year 1839. And so he is known as the founding father of sociology. And so another important question here is, who is the father of modern sociology? Who is the father of modern sociology? Answer is Max Weber. Okay. Second question. The family include relatives in addition to nuclear family. The family include relatives in addition to nuclear family. Options: foster family, extended family, blended family, single parent family. The family include relatives in addition to nuclear family. Correct answer is extended family. Extended family include the relatives other than parents and children. Then what is foster family? Foster family means the family who take in children temporarily, who take care of children temporarily is known as a foster family. And blended family means a family in which both spouses have children from previous relationship. Both spouses have the children from previous relationship is known as blended family. And single parent family. Single parent family means individual living alone. That is a mother or father alone residing in a family with their children. A mother or father alone is residing in a family with their children. That is known as the single parent family. So here the question is, what is extended family? That is the family that include relatives in addition to the parents and children. Okay, third question. The sociology helps nurses to know about. Sociology helps nurses to know about. Options are social life, politics, community, personal life. Correct answer is social life. Sociology is the study of social life, or it is the science of social relationship. So here the answer comes social life. Then the fourth question. The primary level of socialization, the primary level of child socialization is. Options are family, school, playground, community. The primary level of child socialization. So here the correct answer is family. Family is the primary level of child socialization. So family is known as the primary group in society. So we will study in detail what is family. So very important, that is it's the primary group in society, or we can say it is the basic or fundamental social institution. Among the social institutions, family is considered as the basic or fundamental social institution. And also it is the earliest agent of socialization. It is the earliest agent of socialization. Earliest agent of socialization is family. So here the question is the primary level of child socialization. Correct answer is family. Then the fifth question, which type of family comes under the male head of the family possessing all powers? Which type of family comes under the male head of the family possessing all powers? Options are nuclear family, joint family, patriarchal family, matriarchal family. Which type of family comes under the male head of the family possessing all powers? So here the correct answer is patriarchal family. Patriarchal family. So that is coming under the types of family. It can be classified on the basis of authority, that is patriarchal and matriarchal. Patriarchal means male head of the family possessing all powers. Matriarchal means female head of the family possessing all powers. So here the classification is based on authority. On the basis of authority, the family is classified. Again, there are other classifications, that is on the basis of precedence. It can be classified into matrilocal or patrilocal, and also it can be classified on the basis of structure like nuclear family, joint family, extended family. Then on the basis of marriage, also we can classify on the basis of relations. So all these are coming in the classes. All these classification will be explained detailed in the classes. The next question. Socialization. Socialization is a process involving options: setting up the social norms, normalization of criminals and antisocial elements, inducting people to adapt in society, declaring everything as belonging to society. What is socialization? It is a process involving. Here the correct answer is inducting people to adapt in society. Socialization is a process involving inducting people to adapt in society. So socialization, actually it is a process by which individuals learn to interact with others. Individuals learn to interact with others is known as socialization, and it helps in helping the people to adapt in society. That is socialization, the process that helps the people to adapt in society. And also it is important to know what are the agents of socialization. Agents or agencies of socialization that include the family, peer group, work environment, the school, mass media. All these are agencies of socialization. So these are the important exam insights from the Dewdear Academy for the subject Sociology. So thank you for watching the video.